23-year-old Aryan Reddy died in US as he misfired his hunting gun during his birthday earlier this month. Officials said he was cleaning his hunting gun when the bullet hit his chest. His father said they were unaware that the students could acquire hunting gun license in US. Let me know according to you how to prevent misfiring. For more such videos, do subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, like and share the video. Thank you.